Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z. Blue color, yellow color, light green color, orange color, green color, brown color, orange color, A for apple, orange color, B for ball, orange color, C for cat, D for doll, E for elephant, F for flower, F for fish, G for goal, G for grass, yellow color, H for horse, H for home, I for ice cream, yellow color, J for juice, yellow color, K for kite, brown color, L for light, brown color, M for mango, M for monkey, N for necklace, N for next, orange color, O for owl, O for octopus, P for parrot, orange color, Q for queen, R for rat, light green color, S for strawberry, T for tiger, U for umbrella, yellow color, V for van, W for watermelon, W for window, X for X-ray, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you.